Hello guys, today's video, we're gonna hit an apple, but not an ordinary apple. See this? You thought this is just an ordinary? No, look what it's behind it. Oh shish, that is rotten. Now we're gonna hit this. Ready? Okay, watch this. Wait. On the apple. Okay, here's it. The apple. It's so rotten. We need. Okay, here. 3, 2. Wait! Before we hit the rotten apple, please make sure to like and subscribe. Let's go. Hey. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm gonna kill you, bitch. I was actually messing around. And forgot to say, there's an ant on it. There's ants. A lot of red ants. And that's why I'm gonna destroy their food. Because I hate red ants. Get over our bed, boy. There. There. Die. Now, we are so messy. Let's look about it. Here is it, guys. Look. Look. That's so messy. That is so fucking messy. You see? So messy. I'm gonna clean the floor later. Bye-bye. Like and subscribe. Let's go. Peace.